All right, so let's continue from where we left off. We have our average underscore year underscore difference here. Okay, let's take out these values first. Okay, now for us to find our average, we already know what we are supposed to do. So we enter our function reference, and then the initials average, we go to select it. Now we need the range of values for which we want to find the average for. So you can either click on the particular sheet where you have the data, and here we are, is somewhere here. So let's scroll up and see the very first value, which is here. And then we can hold our shift and control down arrow should reference all the cells within the range, and that should give us our average. So once we click, we have this value as our average. But let's remember that per what we have in our slides, we are advised to keep this at a 2 decimal places. That's exactly what we are asked to do, to round it up to 2 decimal places. So we look at this, we can just decrease the decimals here. Now, when you do this, the actual value of the average is maintained. Whilst it is rounded up for you, the actual value is maintained. It's different from rounded up using the rounding up formula and so on and so forth. So that's what we have. Now, meanwhile, I need this reference or range of cells to calculate my mean and my maximum. So I will copy it. So to calculate my minimum and my maximum, I need these values. So I will copy that reference of cells or range of values. Then I come to the maximum, I enter my equal sign, and then I will enter the maximum. I choose maximum, and then I will paste the cells I want to deal with, or the range of values I want to deal with, which I have copied already. So I will enter here also, and boom, I have an answer there. Now I come to the minimum, my function reference, the equal sign, and then I will put the initials max. You have maximum here, and I will paste all the values or the range of values I copied, which is this. Wow, sorry, I think it should be minimum. That's a big mistake. Yes, so we have it now. So minimum, and then boom, we have our minimum perfectly in there. Now, so we are following the instruction. The last part of it is asking us to create a histogram. So let's see if we can go and create the histogram. We are asked to do that using the year column. So not the year difference, but what the year columns rather. So let's go there and see if we can do that. So I will just select the year column, which is B, and then I'll go to insert. I will insert a chart here, and then I have this histogram is already selected for me, so I will take it to the column where I will be working, which is I'll copy and then go to my summary and paste, and I have it.